Hello guys, in this video I will show you a common Visual Studio Code editor's error when I am trying to preview of my code in live server. The browser showing me this error, cannot get index.html. So how can we fix it? So this is basically a simple solution here. Just click on your URL box, then backspace to delete your file path, then click on enter. Then your output will be shown in your browser. And now if I am trying to change my code and save it, then I will show you that live preview also are working perfectly. Okay, so this is the solution of this error. Thank you.